Hey, this is me, Roy, keyless one. Yeah, trying to put these cars together. Yeah, man. This is right now. I'm sitting in my 2013 Volkswagen Beetle Turbo. Really nice car. I love it. Treat me well. Own this car now for over a year and something. It's really a good car. Just to give you a tour of the inside. Yeah, inside. And then I'm gonna, yeah, that's my inside. The sun shining on it right now. I have 133,000 miles on it. Yeah, I have my boost gauges and everything up there. Yeah, pretty nice car inside. See, lovely. I love it. I put all my pillars in there, you know. Just, it kind of look girly now, but you know, it's a man car, really. Yeah, sunlight coming in my eyes. And this is the back of the car. Volkswagen Beetle Turbo. Yeah, back of it. And how much of that? Yeah. To the front. Yeah, pretty nice car though. Yeah, I love it. Give you a little tour and a little walk around it. Yeah, real nice. Yeah, she been treating me good so far. You know. Alright. And oh, it's locked on this side. Doing the engine. Yeah, 2.0 TSI turbo. Yeah, she runs real great. When I get this car, I needed some work. I just do water pump and stuff on it. That was what in one of my videos when I was doing the water pump on this car. You know, so see, we'll clean her up real nice, pretty. Now she's idling like a baby. Yeah. That's pretty much that for now. Thanks for watching. I'll be posting more videos on this car. It's a 6-speed. I really love it. She kicks up real nice. Yeah, got sunroof up there, panoramic. Yeah, man, she nice. All right, bye for now.